Welcome to my channel, guys. Hey, we're gonna do a lot of videos right here on Blast in the Grass car show down in Hagerman, Idaho. This was back in let's see, September 16th 2023, and 329 entries in this little car show, the most I think they've ever had. It was pretty much packed. Lots of hot rods sitting around on the outside of the parking lot even that didn't get in. So enjoy these next few videos. Thanks very much. Have fun. Enjoy. Well, can you see me? Good morning. Sun's coming up. We are at, let's see, Blast on the Grass car show here in Hagerman, Idaho. My hometown. I'm not hometown, but my town now. Let me get you out of the sunlight so you can see me. Now, there's a lot of cars going on out here and a lot of music going on. That means I got to keep talking so I cannot get copyrighted. So I'm going to turn it around, let you take a look, and then we're going to go see every one of those cars. I will show you. I will probably not be able to film everything with voice. I'll have to do a voiceover because of the music, like I said. But we're going to walk through there right now, and we're going to look at them all. We're going to start right over there, I think, by the... We'll walk right over there to the Cool Whip shitter. I'm sorry, Cool Whip. Had to say that, you know. You know, you guys, while following me, you've seen old Cool Whip. He got hurt in a shitter out at Sturgis. Oh, my God. Anyway, let's walk over there that way. We're going to start our tour of all these wonderful cars here. I don't know how long this has been going on, but they got a lot of nice ones here. So we're going to start here with this yellow one down here. What the heck is that? A Ventera, or what is it? Let's go check it out, guys. I'm going to have to just, like I said, we're not going to be able to talk and do these, so I'm going to do it right here. Let's see if we can flip this upside down, or I'll leave it like that. What is it? Pantera. Yep, Pantera. Wow. Let's see if we can. Let's see, we're going to hang on, we're going to flip you. I don't know if that worked or not. I think we're going to do it just like this. Hey, we'll do some other cars first because that sun's going to be blaring on us.
Anyway, they're saying. When I had a board, you guys sold the horses. So, I walked over and I got the I just had to call you guys sold the horses. I get it. I also have
the translator with him. We're going to just probably go down the front on the one to Malibu where my aunt lives. But yeah, it's a lot of fun.
It wasn't me. It was the other one.
But it was weird that it broke two of them, and both of them in right-hand corner, so I figured it had to be the way the camber was set, and I never, it still had the original straight axle. Yeah.
Yeah. But one of them she broke right down getting on the main street.
Oh, Lord. But that was back when I didn't know that.
I know. How you doing?
That ain't that. How much? How much is this for sale for?
24,000.
I was thinking if that's. No,
Oh,
okay.
I didn't put the other zero on,
yeah,
did I?
I'm going sold.
Hell, he can keep on adding zeros, he don't care.
Yeah, well, he's got one shy here. It's only
Some people don't realize what it
2,400.
takes. I mean, it's got a Mustang front end, disc brakes, automatic. It's got the stick shift, but it's automatic.
2,400.
Yeah, I bet. I got to change that. I got to put a zero on that.
I was stumbling over my words when I seen that.
Yeah, that's kind of funny, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, you better fix that because that's worth your 24,000.
Oh, it's probably worth more. I just
Just about bought me a car there, guys. I'd have bought that in a heartbeat. You know, a lot of my friends, cousins, relation have cars. Maybe we'll run into them down here. I can't even count how many of these 55 Chevy pickups I had. 55 Chevy cars. Had a lot of them. But used to be able to pick them up cheap. Can't do that no more.
You don't see these.
That's nice looking convertible, isn't it?
Yeah, you don't see them.
No. Here you guys go. Pick you up a nice one. We're going to send this all over the world.
Okay, sounds good.
Nice looking. Last time I tried, I couldn't get in one. Couldn't get out of it anymore. But I got new knees now. I might be able to do it.
Probably could.
Yeah.
The amazing thing is that it only has 16,000 miles.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful car. Yeah. And a lot less than a new one.
Yeah.
Oh, my.
Got 100 grand left.
I think the new ones, they got one down there for over 200.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
American Graffiti, remember that? Nice looking old Dodge right there. Well, the music has kind of calmed down, so maybe I can narrate a bit with it. Pretty car, pretty pickup right there, long bed. We got the motorcycle guys here. They're always here with these bikes. You guys want to see these? Oak top guys. Lots of them.
I do not know what I did.
Okay, that's that. Now then, let's go back over here. We're going to get these. Looks like some of them are pointed. They're pointed every which way. To me, I think these are pointed backwards. And they got here first, probably. But here comes the music again, guys. I'm going to try to keep talking. Maybe they won't get me. Maybe I'll throw it on here just for the heck of it, guys, and let you hear the whole thing. I think I will. The heck with it. I ain't gonna make $2 on the whole video. It ain't worth it to me to not show you and let you hear the music and the people talking. So that's what we're gonna do. I just made up my mind right now. I love them old mopes.
You look like you're in a hurry.
Yeah, we've got
Marvin was.
You see this one every year. We see it everywhere. Vickie's brother had one like this. Oh my. Y'all know I just got new eyeballs. Got my cataracts took out. I'll tell you what. I take off these sunglasses. Oh my gosh. It's nice to see colors. Wow. I'm going to do a video on this cataract surgery thing for you guys that are going to have them someday. So stay tuned to that. Oh my, the colors. Wow.
Here's what I'm talking about. Took the sunglasses off. Now I can see true colors.
Is there Cody? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You guys haven't let us down again this year.
Oh my God.
Hey, Gary.
Yeah.
How you doing, buddy?
Doing good. Well, we're going to turn this off right now.
Well, guys, I asked you when I first started putting these videos on here, do you want me to put on a whole hour's worth, or do you want me to put on 10 minutes worth at a time? And you, one of you guys, or a couple of you guys said, let's just do short ones. So here's a short one. We're going to try to put these on here, like I said, 10 minutes or real close to that. And we're going to break this one right here, and we'll start up right here when we get the next part done.
Sally used to carry my books to school. Sally was a good old girl. Helped me with my homework 'cause I was a fool. Sally was a good old girl. If you wanted just a kiss or a little bitty squeeze, she was always